So every now and then it pays to know some really dope folks in this tech YouTuber lifestyle. I was talking with my homies Tim of Simple Tech Reviews and Antoine of Just Doing Life, and Antoine was like, yo, he got a pair of speakers for $20 that are just simply crazy on the desktop speaker tip. You guys know I love audio and you guys know I love budget audio. So today we're gonna check out these $20 speakers from Philips and see if, like my homie Tim says,
this has been the best $20 I've spent all year.
All right, before we get into this, there's two things I do want to acknowledge. First of all, the actual model number is really nowhere here on the box. Usually I think it would be like somewhere up here if it was just gonna let you know what the actual model number of these speakers are. Secondly, this is the box that it came in. I don't know what's going on with Amazon. They were like, yo, we just tired of putting things that's already in a box in another box. That's why I haven't turned it around, because my address and all of that is on the back. Last time I got a product for Amazon in a box that had my address on it, I doxed myself to the whole internet. We're not gonna do that this time, man. We're gonna try to live, learn, and grow. But man, this is a pretty sizable box. These are 2.0 speakers, so you basically get two right here. They have the silk dome tweeters, the aluminum finish for my folks over there, and the Oontz technology. I don't know what that is, but let's go ahead and pop it open and see what's good. I need my little unboxing knife. When you open it up, you get your books, manual information, things like that. We don't need that. You get a power brick. That'll go in there and that should power it up. Let's go ahead and pull these out. Oh man, these are pretty sizable. These are definitely not tiny desktop speakers. Ooh, let me peel this plastic. Let's see if we can get a good peel. Okay, so let's address something real quick. You do have your silk dome tweeters right there. Now it says an aluminum finish. If you look on the box, it kind of makes it feel like this side will have that finish. No, this is shiny plastic. That's just some shiny plastic. Right here on the front, you get that aluminum finish. So, I mean, no biggie. I do like the fact that on this one, you have your power button down here at the bottom. This is a power button and a volume rocker. Then you have a headphone jack and an aux jack. On the bottom here, you have some stoppers to keep it in place on your desk, which is good, some rubber stoppers. On the right side as well, forgive these fingerprints. Like I said, this is shiny plastic. Not the biggest fan of that, but right here, you get your DC power in and you get your left speaker connection. So you'll take this plug from the left speaker, plug it in there, boom, and you're good to go. But what I'm gonna do is go ahead and hook these up, get some music playing, and we'll see how good they sound, man. And I'll meet y'all on the other side.
Wish that I could find the words to describe you now, as I'm lying next to you and the world goes quiet. Wish that I could make you see how you fit me perfectly, and I fall for you. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands.
All right, now I've had some time to check these out and analyze them a little bit further. If you watch my homie Tim's review, I'll leave a link down below. He actually states that these are going for $99 on the Philips website. I'll try to leave a link down below to exactly what I purchased so you could get them for $20. But man, for $20, these are a steal. Man, real talk. You get some really nice clarity in the mids and highs that's not often there in these desktop speakers. Now, it's not like a big, massive, overwhelming bass pound, but you do get a nice bass resonance with certain tracks that have a little kick, something like that. You're going to be able to hear that and feel it a little bit on your desk. But overall, these are not bass head speakers, which I actually like because a lot of desktop speakers are really muddy in the low end. Using them for gaming is also pretty nice. You definitely get the volume that will put you right in that first person shooter or in the middle of whatever odyssey or world that you're in. Also for videos and movie watching, you'll be able to really understand what's going on and get a nice, clear, pristine representation of the audio. I can see you taking these to work and getting told to turn them down because you'll be in there jamming. Only took the knob to about 60% plugged into my computer and it's a lot of sound. There was a lot of noise coming up out of here, man. Definitely not mad at these at all. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. All right, folks, man. I ain't gonna lie, $20, this is a crazy deal. So I'm gonna get up out of here, but make sure you check the links down below in the description. That'll help your boy out, and it'll help you out if you wanna jump on this deal and get a pair for yourself. I'm gonna get up out of here. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and never forget to holla at your boy.